balancer shafts thoroughly. Align the punch mark on the rear balancer shaft with the center of the 2 punch marks on the front balancer shaft. Then install the balancer shafts together on the lower balancer shaft holder. Install the upper balancer shaft holder aligning with the dowel pins. Apply engine oil to the threads of the 8mm bolts and install them. Tighten the bolts to the specified torque. Ask an assistant to hold the balancer shaft holders. Check the TDC position of the number 1 cylinder. Align the dowel pin of the rear balancer shaft with the aligning mark on the oil pump. Insert the pin driver through the maintenance hole and lock the rear balancer shaft. Install the oil pump sprocket to the balancer shaft while hanging the oil pump chain over the sprocket. Apply engine oil to the threads of the oil pump sprocket mounting bolt and install it to the balancer shaft. Tighten the sprocket mounting bolt to the specified torque and remove the pin driver. Install the set clip to a new oil pump chain tensioner. Install the tensioner to the oil pump. Tighten the bolts to the specified torque. Remove the set clip. The installation is completed.